Why are certain pans not suitable for glass-top stoves?
Hello there. Today we're exploring an interesting topic about our everyday kitchen tools. Why are certain pans not suitable for glass-top stoves? We'll delve into the design of glass-top stoves and the types of pans that work best with them. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to choose the right cookware for your glass stove.
What's special about glass-top stoves?
Glass-top stoves, with their sleek, modern look, have become a popular choice for many homeowners. However, they come with a unique set of considerations. These stoves use radiant heat produced by electric elements underneath the glass surface to cook your food. Due to the glass top, they require flat-bottomed cookware for effective heat transfer.
Why are certain pans not suitable?
Now that we know a bit about glass-top stoves, let's address our main question. Certain pans are not suitable for these stoves due to reasons related to heat conduction, safety, and potential for damage to the glass surface. 1. Rough-bottomed pans. Cookware with a rough or textured bottom can scratch the glass surface. Cast iron pans are a good example of this. 2. Warped pans. If a pan is warped or curved, it won't make full contact with the stove's flat surface, resulting in poor heat conduction. 3. Heavy pans. Extremely heavy pans, especially when full, might crack the glass if dropped.
What kind of pans should you use?
So, what kind of pans should you use with your glass-top stove? Here are a few options. 1. Flat-bottomed pans. The more surface area in contact with the glass top, the better the heat conduction. 2. Lightweight pans. Opt for lighter pans to reduce the risk of accidental dropping and subsequent cracking of the stove. 3. Smooth-bottomed pans. Cookware with smooth bottoms, such as stainless steel or certain types of enameled cast iron, can help prevent scratches. And there you have it. By understanding the unique features of glass-top stoves and the properties of different types of pans, you can make an informed decision when selecting cookware. Remember, flat-bottomed, lightweight, and smooth-bottomed pans are your best bets. Thank you for joining us in this exploration, and happy cooking on your glass-top stove.